Hey everyone, welcome back to the next core Java tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn about Java escape sequences. We use escape characters to perform some specific task. There is total 8 escape sequences in Java. In today's video, we will use 4 of them, which is mostly used. Let's create a new Java project along with a package and a class. You may choose any names for the package and class as you prefer. The first escape sequence we'll use is \t. It is used to create spaces between characters or words. The second escape sequence we'll use is \n. It is used to print characters or words on the next line. Next, we'll look at the escape sequence used to write text inside single quotation marks. Next, we'll explore the escape sequence used to include text within double quotation marks. Now, using what you've learned so far, write the desired output using only escape sequences. Mention your code in comments. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future lessons. See you in the next video.